Hello everybody, my name is ChrisYT, and welcome back to... Wait, I'm a bit loud. Welcome back to Cat Goes Fishing Season 2, kind of. Season 2 Episode 1, because I may have lost all my progress. But, we are back, and if you don't know what this game is, or like, what you have to do in this game, I'm this little kitty here. And this is my fishing rod, and as you'll notice, there are some fish here in the water. And all I have to do is just swing my fishing rod, and, oh wow, and grab one of these. There we go, I've made $50 just off that one fish. That's basically the premise of the whole game. We got another fish here. Quest unlocked. Catch one mustard fish. Now, if I recall correctly, the mustard fish are the ones that look like mustards. And I have to do this to get the bigger bait because they're a... Whoa. Okay. That's a tough one. That is a tough one. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's also blood in this game and they can eat the other fish. It's kind of... Jeez. That was horrible. Alright. So now we have a better rod. We have a rod attachment diving lure. So these are like specialties for the rod. So increases lure sink speed. Slightly reduces reel speed. This stacks. Oh, I don't have money. Obviously I don't have money. Alright. This one's like a different color to all the other ones. Okay, so... Easy peasy. We got a swooper here. There we go. They all have their own different names. There's like there's tiny ones like these fish. These are the smallest ones. The medium fish are the ones that are slightly bigger, like this mustard fish here. And there's also big fish and huge fish. Click the equipped rod to see the rod upgrades. There you go, catalog. There we go. Small. So these are the small ones, medium ones. There's going to be large and even bigger ones. There's giant fish. Alright, new quest. Catch 3 cuttlefish. That's easy. Whoa. I forgot how weird it is seeing all the other fish. Jeez, that was a bit loud. Alright. No, oh my god. That wasn't a shark. Even though it kind of looked like a shark, that wasn't a shark. Okay, cuttlefish. Let's try to catch that. What's it called again? Oh crap. What's it called? I can't see. Maybe all... No. Mustard fish, alright. If the line goes red, that's like the durability of the string. And if it goes completely red, then that means I've lost it. And to catch the big fish, I need this. And I can't remember what I need to do to catch the huge fish. I'm pretty sure I have done it before. Okay, I don't know why I have the huge bait. Oh, for another bite, yeah? Damaged fish don't count towards your quest. Oh, we have them. Yeah, there's a lot of different fish over here. Don't snap. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, that's one of the larger ones, not the huge ones. No, don't even try. There we go, Grumper. $800. I like how they sometimes have like different colors. Casual quester, complete 10 quests. Well, I mean, yeah, kind of. I mean, I still have like some old progress, so some of the Steam quests achievements I've already got. But I had it like a long time ago, so some of these fish don't like judge me if I don't remember some of these fish. Cuttlefish, I need 2 mustard fish. So the ones that we were already catching. That's good. There we go. Oh, don't. There we go, one just decided to swim under us, that's nice. There we go, sell that. Yeah, that's super. Jeez, what are these fish? There we go, lure shop. Okay, so attach your rocket to your line. We can just test these out right here. New quest. Yep, I mean that already. Jeez, what was that? That big fish. That was a. I can't remember what that big fish's name is. It's something beginning with S. What is that? Oh, we have one of the new fish. What is this? Kingfish. $350. Nice. Okay, something cool. Let's catch one of these. What are these called again? Round fish or something? Round fin. Okay. There we go. Easy peasy. Catch. Another swooper. Okay, I'll catch one of these round fins. Go on. There it is. Jeez, these are strong. There we go. Okay, swooper. We need the swoopers. No, we don't want this one. Although that would be cool to catch. I'm pretty sure with this orange fish, all the kingfishers or whatever they were called, they swarm around. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's been a while. It's been like 10 months since I played Cat Goes Fishing. I mean, the reason I came back to this game is because it has been the best performing series on my channel. So I hope, and also I just enjoy it. Like, it's such a nice little relaxing game. There we go. Okay, round fin. We need. Oh, don't get bitten. I'm pretty sure every single fish can be. The medium fish can also get bitten, but I don't think the large ones can. The huge ones definitely can't. Oh no! Oh no! That big one almost took a chomp. New rod upgrades. Okay. So, oh, 2 more. Scouting. Your line will not be automatically reeled in after a failed cast. You can still catch hats or discover new fish. Oh yeah, there's like hats in the game that give you different upgrades. Yeah, we can have that. And gouge? Is that gorge? Is that how you pronounce it? Upgrade the strength of your line, making it harder to snap the stacks. Okay, well, if it stacks, I'll take 2 then. Oh, new quest. Catch 1 cowfish. Which one's the cowfish? Is it this one? Is the orange one the cowfish? Oh, it's this one! The fat one! That one's cowfish. Okay. So we need one of these. Okay. And we'll need a bomb. There we go, like that. Oh? Oh, first try. Nice. Okay, so this is one of the big ones. There we go, 2,500, so we doubled the thing. That's nice. And I can't throw the larger ones back into the water, I don't think. Unless they've, like, updated it or something. Oh. It's a catalogue. So that one's the grumper. The huge ones must be actually ginormous. What was that one? I just saw a pink fellow. Okay, I need 3 mustard fish, so I'll take one of these. I'll just throw this out. There we go. Ooh, that went far. What is this? What are these? Oh, I got a grandpa. Where is he taking me? What is this? Oh my god, what was that? Was that the shark? I remember catching the shark. Was that grating the shark? Wait, hold on. I need to look in my catalogue. Ah, I didn't see. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's the shark. I remember getting the rising lure. Reeling causes your lure to rise. This stacks up to 2 times. I'll just get that. There we go. Oh my god. What is this reeling thing rise? Oh, I have a feather on my... I don't get it. Is there just a... There's just a feather. Oh, why did I sell that? I shouldn't have sold that. I don't get it. What does it do? Oh, no, I sense it. So that when I have an empty... When I don't have anything on the hook and I reel it in, it just goes up a bit. Alright. Let's send this one far. There you go. Okay. What do we catch here? Okay, I don't mind catching you. You're a nice fun. Nice little cowfish. Big cowfish. There we go. What is it? Why was it up there? Oh yeah, the value decreases when it gets bitten. That's a nice little... Whoa. Why is this big yellow one like constantly getting closer? I'll get like a bomb and a rocket again. Oh, you stinker. Yeah, get another bite, shall you? Maybe eat the whole fish. Okay, I'll try another one. There we go, I got him, I got the fat one. Jesus Christ. Calm down, calm down, calm down. It's going mad. It's going mad. Come on. I can't pull too hard, otherwise the line's gonna break, and I don't want to lose this fish. Come on, please. Please, just stop. Just stop. Stop trying. There we go. Let's go! Seraph. $5,800. I'm gonna sell that. Jesus, 20,000. Can I buy the... Yeah, I can buy a power rod. Alright, let's try. What is this? What is this green guy? Why is there so many... Oh, they just completely... It's a skeleton now. Great. I want to try catching one of these green guys. Oh, you little... Can I catch one of these green guys, please? No, I don't want to catch the Seraph again. There we go. What are you? Gorka. How much is it cost? $8,400? Don't mind if I do. Okay, there's boats now. A slow-moving boat that can't travel far from shore, or an improved... That's $120,000. That's a lot. An improved boat that holds up to 8 fish. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna buy these back. There we go, new quest. Catch one shark. Already? They want me to catch a shark. I'm level 8, I don't even have a boat yet, and they want me to catch a shark. Alright, well I don't think we're going to be completing any quests anytime soon. Oh my god, this grump. I'm actually going to just get a bomb and blow him up. Where are you? There you go, have that. Oh, there's another... There you go. Bite this. Yeah, have that. How do I catch the shark again? After this, I'm gonna watch my video and see how I caught it last time. I want this Gawker again. What is this? Okay, this rising lure isn't really nice, is it? Right. I want to catch. Okay, no, I want to catch this Georgian guy. Oh, but I'm gonna. Yeah, sure. I'll catch the Georgian. I'm throwing away 8,000 for this Georgian right now. Where is he? Oh my god. This cuttlefish what cost 8,000. Come on, something. Come on, come on. Yes, I got him. I got him. I remember this guy's name. This guy's name is the Georgian. Jeez, what is he pulling at? What is this? What are those? I don't see anything. Okay, I made the color like a bit purple. If you did see it, because I didn't see anything. This is how it looked on my screen. What was that? Flick. Hit control to flick the line towards the mouse if it is snagged. This may break the line. What does that mean? I mean, I'll take it, fine. So what, control? Wait. Oh. I literally, I didn't even make it out of the water, that one. Oh my god. I'm blowing this guy up. I'm blowing him up. Oh, now he doesn't. He's back. What a peculiar creature. I'm trying to catch him again. Seraph. I just want the Georgian, come on. Oh no, I don't want you. Yeah, go on, bite him then. Why is there no medium fish anymore? I'll take you. This Georgian. No, I don't want you. I don't want neither of you. Okay, I'll have to get a bomb. I really want that Georgian. Come on. No. Oh my god, there's too many fish. Why is this Seraph going so close to me? There we go. He's here now. What are you doing? Bite it again. Yeah, eat all of it. Eat all of it. I'm putting it right here. Come on, eat the rest. There you go. Now I'm gonna catch something big. And I don't want the Seraph. No, the Georgian. Okay, fine. Oh. 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 Okay, there's another Georgian here. But how much does this one cost? 2,500. Queenfish. Okay. Wait, no, I don't want a Seraph. I don't want this. I don't want this guy. I mean, fine, I'll take him, but I don't want him. And I don't want any of these, but I'll have to catch them. New rod upgrades. Great. Well, let's look at them. Yeah, I'm removing this one. Bite guard. Small fish are instantly taking that. Small fish are unable to eat large bait. That's perfect. That's exactly what I need. Why is there more? There we go. Okay, now. Rocket, bomb, off you go. Okay. Hopefully I get something big. Okay. That was a good bomb. Oh my god. What was that red goofy guy? Looked like a jelly bean. The Georgian's still there. I really want to catch him. I'm like, is it gonna... No. No, I don't want to blow him up. How do I remove this bomb? Oh, perfect. I'm gonna catch him. Oh my god, he's tough, isn't he? Oh, he's taking me down. There you go. Okay, I got him. He stuck it out. Just a little bit further. Just a little bit further. That's what I asked. That's what I asked. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! We got him. He was the Georgian. Okay, 11,000. Selling him. Nice. Perfect. How do they expect me to catch the shark? The shark is the one that I've caught the shark before, but it was like in like the 5th episode. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. What is it? What are you? Galena. Okay, I don't really care about you. Okay, can I get a better rod? No. I'll get a rocket and a bomb then. See what we catch. Just gonna leave this here. I want to catch these red guys. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Rocket, bomb. Boom. Now I'm gonna catch something good. Please don't it be, please let it not be a mustard fish or one of those. Ah, this red guy. Okay, not even a bomb now. Oh no, it's gonna be a mustard fish, isn't it? I want something. I want something good. Oh, come on. Come on, boy. What is this red jelly bean called? Wait, I'll get Oh, of course it's a grumper. This... I want you to give a red guy a nibble. Give him a nibble. Give him a nibble. Come on. There we go. Okay. I gave him a nibble. So, hopefully, he's going to be happy with me now. Rocket. Bomb. Off he goes. Oh, I'm gonna get a grumper again, aren't I? Oh, red guy, red guy, red guy. Okay, I'll wait here. Hopefully, the red guy shows up, because I'm pretty sure he's like right here. Come on. Where's he lower? I think he's lower. Rocket, bomb. Off you go. I mean, there he was. Don't even try. I'm trying to catch him, but he's so nervous. Oh no, I would have caught him then. No. Shouldn't have got him. I shouldn't have got the bomb. Just get the bomb off me. There we go. And another one comes. Of course he does. Of course he does. Stop it. Stop it. There we go. Now, just a rocket. Sending you out there with the rocket. Watch, now a Grumpa's going to appear. Please, 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 please. Just let me get the red card. Oh, yes. Oh, I got him. I got him, 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 I got him. Yes! Brimble! No diving allowed. Catch a Brimble in realism mode. 18,000! 18,000, that's insane. That's insane. Okay, selling that. And I can get a boat now. Okay, I'm going to... It'll continue sinking when you lose the bait. Okay, I'll remove that. What? Click to hold the line when casting, enabling shorter or more complex cast. No, I'd rather have this. Alright, the boat. We have the boat. Okay, we're going to finish up with the boat here. I'm probably not going to stay as long. There we go. Because I've been recording for 27 minutes. What was that? Oh, you little... Okay, I'll explore then. What is that? What is that? Yeah, just eat it now. What is that? What are those? What are those? Okay, rocket, bomb. Off you go. What journeys am I going to find? What is this? And where are you going? What are those? What is that? What is that? Where are we going? Please stop. Please. 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 Where are we going? What are these fish? Why is there so many fish? Okay, there we go. Stop. What is that hat? That's a hat. That's a hat. I know a hat when I know one. I know a hat when I see one. Okay, I just want to catch you. Just stop struggling, please. Stop struggling. Please. Please. What are these fish? Stop, 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 stop. What is that? What are those? Are those like... What are those? What are these fish that we're experiencing? What is that a shark? Is that not the shark? No, that's not the shark. That's a different type of shark. The shark that I know is the grey one, not the white one. Please, just let me. Just let me have this. We're almost there. We're literally there. I see my fishing rod. We got it. We got it. Catch a Bargu in realism mode. $16,000. I'm not even trying to get you in my boat. I'm instantly going to sell you. And you're the last fish I'm catching in this video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe for more. Comment your favorite fish that you like to eat. And see you next time. Goodbye.